Hey everyone, welcome to dubventures and welcome to another video. Today we're doing a modification. We're going to be finishing some of the cupboard units that we was doing that we've done on the van already, and we'll try to squeeze all this in because we've got so many trips coming up and everything. So we're here at it's Paul, everybody. Everybody needs a Paul in their life. What's up, Paul?
It's freezing, mate.
It's alright because you know what? We're doing something else today as well. Paul's fitting a diesel heater in there. Dubventures.
Workshop.
Exactly. So, right, let's get on with it. So guys, if you've not seen it before, this is our storage area. We've got the fridge over here. Now the fridge is going to be staying here because we designed it so that when we've got the batteries in, we've got the power over there and everything, so it works ideally there. But we've got a little bit of room, haven't we, where we're going to be fitting like a drawer box section that can just go in that area there. Nicely demonstrated by Paul there. I'll just show you, you know, in here, this is like all the storage and everything. And now we do have to do a lot of packing because we're going to the Orchard Dales and we've got the NC500, and hopefully I'm going to try and convince this guy to join us on a part of that trip. So we'll see. So right, what we're going to do is Paul is going to measure this up, because if I just quickly show you, when we open the fridge here, obviously it comes to there, so obviously the depth of only can be so far.
Right to the bottom of there, that's about it.
Yeah, and like I said, we are keeping the fridge system the way it is because this works ideal for us, and you've seen it in other videos, so exactly. Right, so let's do this. You know what, my understanding to do this was quite simple, but then Paul's kind of like pointed out that like, well, this is in the way, that's in the way, that won't fit there, and that's why I can't do things like this, because I don't have the experience and the skills and the know-how. But this guy, everybody needs a Paul in their life. So what we're going to do as well in the Dubventures workshop, we're going to be fitting this diesel heater so that when we can do like modifications and things, because obviously potential, you know, you might be doing some other things with another van that you might potentially be getting, but you know, that's for another video and another conversation. But top secret. But we're fitting this diesel heater in the Dubventures workshop. I like the sound of that, the Dubventures workshop, so that means I'm going to be around here all the time in winter and doing little things and that.
Well, like now.
Yeah. But we don't have the heater fitted yet, so you could have fitted this before I came round, you know what I mean?
You told me off.
Who's this that's come to visit the Dubventures workshop? It's Thor!
You brought your tools, mate.
What have you come to check, Brooke? What have you come to check?
Got my kettles in the van.
The kettle's in the van. Brooke got a new Ridge Monkey kettle and she couldn't find it anywhere, could you?
You moved it.
No, nothing to do with me. Right, no, back to work. We're in the Dubventures workshop. We've got to get back to work.
I can hear it now.
We're going to carpet it and then obviously connect it so it's up there, and then we're just going to put like a door on the front. Okay.
I'm hoovering up.
Alright, it's hoovering up. So isn't that the apprentice's job? I don't mind doing it. I don't mind. No? He's on it. So yeah, so we're going to get this carpeted now, and obviously as Paul just said, we're getting rid of all the sawdust, because anybody that knows if you carpet in ply line and things like that, there's sawdust that sticks to the carpet and it's really difficult to get off. So
good the ladders.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to leave that to dry. Now we're going to be carpeting this area and obviously round here, and then we need to put a door on as well. Now Paul was just saying it would have been easier for this to dry if we had some heat in here. So have you got that heater fitted yet or what? We've got some like dubventures, like hot warm air, you know.
10 minutes. So. Nice gloves.
So what we've done is we've got this diesel heater because it is coming to winter, and you know Paul's got a lot of projects on the go. We're doing some more like things with the van and everything. Paul's kind enough to help us out. As you know, I keep saying that, you know, this guy's helped us out loads, and like I say, we just thought it'd be a good idea if we got a diesel heater, and then that way, you know, we can do some, well, you can practice your darts as well. Not saying you need any practice, but you know, he does blow his own trumpet, and that's an in-joke as well, but he's supposed to be quite good at darts. But no, it's going to be a good idea coming to winter, you know, we'll get this diesel heater put together and things, and then at least when we're doing things in here, because like I said, he has got some other projects coming. So the good thing is about diesel heaters, it doesn't have to necessarily just be for like your vehicle, because a lot of people do get them, don't they, to like, you know, do things in their workshop. So
that one, because I think they market these as a portable one as well, so we can sort of go outside and be piped in. So
yeah,
ideal.
yeah. So we Paul is going to get it like all built and fitted and everything, so let's get on with it. So as I said before, what we need to do, we need to let that dry overnight. It's getting quite late. Me and Brooke have got to go shopping. Paul's got to have his tea. I know, Paul, it's cold, that's why we're getting a diesel heater fitted.
Close the doors out.
So yeah, so he's going to go and close the garage door so he can carry on getting all that put together and everything. So what we're going to do now, we're going shopping because we've got a lot of things to organise, and then tomorrow, first thing, I'm going to be around here, and no, actually, I can do a bit of the carpet. I can do the carpeting.
You're not bad at it.
Yeah, I'll do the carpeting. We're going to carpet it.
I'll
and
supervise.
then, yeah, Paul will supervise. And then, like I say, we're going to get it fitted up there, and then we're going to put like a
little
drawer on it. So, do you know what, guys? For now, I'm going to go home. Like I said, I've got to go shopping. Brooke's been like saying, how long are you going to be? To be fair, she's not been hassling me or anything. She just lets me get on with it.
Once the job's done.
I know, that's it. Brooke wants more storage, so that's why we're doing it. So, right, we'll see you in the morning. Morning. Right, the paint's dry now on the cupboard system thing that we've made, so let's go and get it carpeted and then get it fitted. There it is, there it is. Is it dry? Is it dry? It looks dry. Paul, everyone! I know it's only been like a few seconds on the clip, but it's been a whole day for us, hasn't it? So
It has.
look at that, he's like shouting his orders out, saying, come on then, get it carpeted.
Oh.
It's like,
It could be done by now. Come on.
me and Paul have just been having a conversation. He said, have you got the same clothes on as yesterday? It's like, yeah, because we're doing this. And I went, well, have you got the same clothes on? He's like, yeah. He said, yeah, but for the video, it looks like, you know, yeah, but, you know, we're doing this, it doesn't really matter. So, right, let's get that carpet sprayed on. So, as you can see, we've got it up where it needs to be. We just need to put the door on it now, and then it's done. Right, we've kind of run out of time because I've got things to do, Paul's got things to do. We can do that
We're busy.
anytime, yeah, we've got things to do, so. But there we go, we've got something, so just want to say thank you to Paul again, you know, for helping me out. Have we got that heater fitted yet? No, how are we getting on with that?
It's actually, I just need diesel.
yeah, right.
I can turn it on. It does things.
Ooh, got lights, we got lights.
Got lights, we just need fuel.
Just need fuel.
So you can hear the pump trying to draw the fuel through, so yeah.
So one of the next clips we'll see how that is, but that's going to be in a few days from now, but that'll be in the next clip for you guys. So here we are a couple of days later. Paul! Everybody needs a Paul in their life.
We've changed.
Yeah, we've changed because it's a few days later, so... Now, Paul's actually got his heater now working off the EcoFlow because he's got it all connected. Was it an easy sort of like installation and everything to do?
It really is just that easy.
Yeah. So he's just started it up. Now, because it's going to be in the dubventures workshop, you've ordered, I'll just quickly show you there, you see there's an exhaust pipe that's going outside, but you're going to actually
it's going to go through
fit
the wall.
it like, through the wall so that you
just
can...
waiting on a big drill.
I'm impressed.
It's
pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is, it's
Powerful.
pretty good. Yeah.
Powerful.
So that's been on for a few minutes and you know it's already heated, so do you know what guys, we recommend these, and
Definitely.
if you're interested I'll put a link in the description. We'll just come up with a really good point. Now like I said, Paul's going to actually do it so that we'll show it in another video where you know the exhaust is actually going outside so you can use it in the workshop. But what did you say is a really good point?
Make sure you get a carbon monoxide detector alarm somewhere around the unit.
Yeah. Guys, I've got a lot to do. Paul's going to practice some darts now and maybe do some chilling out in his dubventures workshop. Even though I won't be here, but I've got like lots of things to do. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. What else do they need to do? Put you on the spot. Let's see how much YouTube you watch.
Like and subscribe and hit the bell.
There we go. That's right. You did well. So guys, until the next one, bye for now.